Are you an aspiring writer with a heartwarming idea and you're looking for a way to become a successful published author? We understand. Every great writer starts somewhere. They start with a dream, a vision, a story that needs to be told. They start with a blank page and a blinking cursor. They start with the courage to put their thoughts into words and the hope that these words will resonate with someone, somewhere. But what if that dream seems out of reach? What if the path to success seems too steep to climb? This is a story about that journey, about the trials and tribulations, about the setbacks and comebacks. So let's dive in, let's turn the page, let's start our story. As Stephen King once said, if you want to be a writer, you must do two things above all others: read a lot and write a lot. Imagine a young soul brimming with a love for stories and an insatiable desire to create their own worlds. Enchanted by the magic of words, they dreamt of becoming a writer. But dreams, they soon learned, were not enough. The world of traditional publishing greeted them with closed doors and rejection slips. Despite the early negative start, our protagonist held on to their dream, for they knew that the world needed their stories. In the face of adversity, the protagonist decided to take matters into their own hands. They chose to self-publish, a journey riddled with obstacles, brand new challenges ahead. The process was a labyrinth, a complex web of publishing intricacies they knew little about. The burden of working alone as an entrepreneur was heavy, each step demanding a cost of time and energy they could barely afford. Doubts swirled in their mind, questioning the worth of their words, but something greater was calling them to not give up. Yet they pressed on, driven by a relentless desire to share their story. The path was tough, the journey was steep, but the protagonist was determined to share their story with the world. Sometimes the darkest nights lead to the brightest dawns. Our protagonists discovered this truth when their book started gaining traction. Harnessing the power of social media, they began to market their work. A tweet here, an Instagram post there, and soon word of mouth did its magic. Readers from far and wide started to share their thoughts, their praises echoing across the digital landscape. Each post, each share, each review was a beacon guiding more readers to the book. Slowly but surely, the world began to recognize the beauty of the protagonist's words. Success is not just about making money, it's about making a difference. As the protagonist's book soared to the top of the bestseller lists, it wasn't just the sales that mattered. It was the glowing reviews, the heartfelt letters of appreciation from readers, the tangible impact of their words on the world. The sense of fulfillment they felt was unmatched. They could finally say to the world, "I am a published author." From a rejected manuscript to a best-selling book, the protagonist's journey was a testament to their perseverance. The protagonist's story is not just about achieving success, it's about believing in oneself and never giving up. Reflecting on our protagonist's journey, it's clear that it was a test of faith. Faith in one's abilities, faith in one's unique voice, and faith in the power of the written word. It was a journey where self-belief was the compass and perseverance was the fuel. A journey that taught us that the path to success is never a straight line, but a winding road fraught with obstacles and challenges that test our resolve and determination. Their journey is a testament to the power of storytelling and the God-given strength the Creator provided. It reminds us that stories have the ability to move, inspire, and transform. It teaches us that every word we write, every character we create, every world we build is a reflection of our dreams, our fears, our hopes, and our experiences. As J.K. Rowling once said, "Anything's possible if you've got enough nerve." So believe in your story, persevere through the challenges, and one day you too can become the author of your dreams.